Welcome to the top picks. The best Clinique Smart Clinical Repair is probably one of the most talked about skincare innovations this year, promising a revolutionary approach to visibly repairing and rejuvenating your skin with its potent blend of cutting-edge ingredients and advanced dermatological research, aiming to target fine lines, wrinkles, and textural irregularities to deliver a smoother, firmer, and more youthful complexion that truly lives up to its smart moniker. Number 5. ARTNATURALS Anti-Aging Set. Discover the power of our anti-aging set, formulated to rejuvenate your skin. Experience a visible reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Infused with vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid, this set works to combat the signs of aging. Achieve a smoother, more radiant complexion. Specifically designed to target wrinkles, our serum helps to restore your skin's natural elasticity. Say goodbye to stubborn lines and hello to firmness. Tired of dark circles? This potent formula works to brighten the under area, leaving you looking refreshed and revitalized. It's a natural solution for a more even skin tone. Experience deep, lasting hydration with our all-natural formula. It moisturizes your skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and healthy. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for a youthful appearance. Embrace a skincare routine that nourishes and restores. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive approach to anti-aging with a blend of vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid. If you're looking for an all-natural, multi-step routine at a great value, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for those who want to tackle wrinkles and dark circles with a complete, natural solution. What people say. This serum is a game-changer for fine lines and wrinkles. My skin feels firmer and looks more radiant after using this product for a few weeks. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for layering under makeup. Number 4. Retinol Hyaluronic Acid Face Cream. Discover the ultimate solution for youthful skin. This powerful cream is designed to combat the signs of aging, leaving your complexion smoother and more radiant. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it deeply hydrates while retinol works to rejuvenate your skin. Experience a noticeable reduction in dryness and fine lines. Use it day or night for continuous care. This versatile moisturizer supports collagen production, helping to firm and lift your skin around the clock. Suitable for both women and men, this cream addresses wrinkles and dryness effectively. It's the perfect addition to any skincare routine. Achieve a more youthful appearance with this potent formula. The generous 1.85-ounce size ensures you have plenty of this revitalizing treatment. What we like. This cream is specifically formulated with retinol and hyaluronic acid to combat aging signs. If you are looking for a potent yet hydrating daily moisturizer to reduce wrinkles and dryness, this is a great choice. It's perfect for both men and women seeking a straightforward, effective anti-aging cream. What people say. This serum is a game-changer for fine lines and wrinkles. My skin feels firmer and looks more radiant after using this product for a few weeks. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for layering under makeup. Number 3. Bliss Vitamin C Plus Tri-Peptide Face Serum. Introducing a powerful serum designed to combat dark spots and fine lines. Experience a noticeable improvement in skin firmness and radiance. Harness the benefits of stabilized vitamin C for a brighter complexion. It works effectively to reduce the appearance of discoloration and uneven tone. This formula is enriched with tripeptides to help boost collagen production. Achieve a smoother, more youthful-looking appearance with continued use. Infused with hyaluronic acid and squalane, it provides essential hydration. Enjoy skin that feels plump, supple, and looks visibly firmer. Incorporate this brightening serum into your daily routine. Reveal a more luminous and revitalized complexion with every application. See a difference in your skin's texture and tone. It's formulated to deliver visible results for a healthier, glowing appearance. What we like. This serum harnesses the power of stabilized vitamin C and tripeptide to target dark spots and fine lines. If you desire brighter, firmer skin and want to boost your collagen production, this is the serum for you. It's ideal for those looking to achieve a more radiant and youthful complexion. What people say. This serum is a game-changer for fine lines and wrinkles. My skin feels smoother and looks more radiant after just a few weeks of use. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for layering under makeup. Number 2. Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Face Cream. Discover the new Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Face Cream. It's designed to deeply moisturize and visibly repair your skin. Now available in 2 powerful formulas, one enriched with collagen plus PDRN, and another with advanced wrinkle-correcting ingredients. Experience the benefits of our collagen plus PDRN formula. It works to plump and firm your skin for a smoother appearance. Target fine lines and wrinkles with our specialized wrinkle-correcting formula. It helps to visibly reduce the signs of aging. This moisturizer is your key to a more youthful and radiant complexion. Achieve visibly repaired and revitalized skin with daily use. Elevate your skincare routine with this advanced face cream. It delivers essential hydration and powerful anti-aging benefits. What we like. This product offers advanced formulas designed for significant wrinkle correction. If you are seeking targeted solutions for aging concerns with innovative ingredients like PDRN, this is the one to consider. It's best suited for those who want cutting-edge technology to combat visible signs of aging. What people say. This serum is a game-changer for fine lines and wrinkles. My skin feels smoother and looks plumper after just a few uses. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. Number 1. Skinfix Triple Lipid-Peptide Cream. Discover the power of our rich face moisturizer, designed to deeply hydrate and restore your skin. It's the perfect solution for dry and sensitive skin types. Experience superior hydration thanks to its unique formula, including hyaluronic acid. This cream works to replenish moisture without causing irritation. Formulated with potent lipids and peptides, it helps to rebuild your skin's natural barrier. You'll notice a healthier, more resilient complexion. We understand the needs of sensitive skin. That's why this moisturizer is non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, and gentle enough for daily use. Feel good about what you put on your skin. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, delivering effective results you can trust. What we like. This cream is expertly formulated to replenish and restore dry, sensitive skin with essential lipids and hyaluronic acid. If you have compromised skin barriers or suffer from dryness and sensitivity, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who prioritize gentle, effective hydration without fragrance. What people say. This serum is a game-changer for fine lines and wrinkles. My skin feels firmer and looks more radiant after using this product for a few weeks. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.